Oh my god, I have a sharp pain in the bottom middle of my rib cage. It just started happening. It's like a really sharp pain. I think it's from all the damn... It's from starting to eat food, I think. Yesterday, after I ate food, I threw up. And when I threw up, it was nothing but like straight up stomach acid. It burned so bad. It was burning, bros. It was burning. So yeah, my throat hurts a lot today. My throat hurts today from all the singing and the yelling and the puking, and I might have to puke in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope you guys don't mind if I go AFK for a second. If I AFK. If I beer burb for a second or two. I feel it coming. I think that's why I'm getting the pain under my rib cage. If I Google it, what's gonna come out? Sharp pain, bottom rib cage, middle. Oh no, a heart attack! Ah! Oh god! Let me check WebMD. Oh god, I'm dying of cancer! Don't ever do that. Don't ever fucking go on WebMD. They always say that, man. You say, oh, my left arm hurts. And like, well, it's cancer. Go to your doctor immediately. What the fuck? Don't Google your symptoms. Don't ever do that. Or do, I don't know. Wait, Mayo Clinic too? Nuh-uh. Mayo Clinic is a reputable source. What are you talking about? Progeronate? That's impossible. That is impossible, bruh. I thought left arm hurting was a stroke. I don't know. Is that even true? Is that even real? I thought it was like left arm shooting pain, heart attack. People ask ChatGPT. Oh, God. How can I talk to ChatGPT? Maybe ChatGPT will tell me the truth. Hello, how can I help you? Help me, computer. I have a sharp... Oh, wait, let me not call it computer. Help me, please. I have a sharp pain underneath the bottom of my rib cage in the middle of my body. What is wrong with me? It has not said anything to me. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry to hear that. As an AI language model, I can't diagnose medical conditions, but based on your description, it sounds like you may be experiencing pain in your epigastric region, which could have a number of causes. Some possible conditions that may cause pain in that area include gastritis, inflammation of the stomach lining, peptic ulcer disease, open sores in the stomach lining or upper small intestine. Been there, done that. Gastroesophageal GERD, a condition in which stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas. I've had pancreatitis before. It is not that. Gallstones, hardened deposits of digestive fluid in the gallbladder. I don't have a gallbladder. Wait, can you still have gallstones without a gallbladder? Okay, I don't have a gallbladder, so It is important to seek medical attention if you're experiencing severe or persistent pain in this area, or if you have other concerning symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, or difficulty breathing, A healthcare professional can determine the underlying cause of your symptoms and recommend appropriate treatment. Yeah, but my breathing problems is a different thing. Nausea, vomiting, that's every day. That's nothing. I'm not calling 911. I'm fine. I guess I just have gastritis. Gastritis. You ate food? I did. I ate food yesterday. And since I ate food yesterday, I haven't been right.